Hey, what's this? That's Santa. Santa knocking at the window. Wow. Αμάν, ο Άγιος Βασίλης χτυπάει το παράθυρο. Και τα μωράκια μου, η Αντζελίνα και η Λιδία. Wow. Angelina, what is this, baby? What is this? Is this Santa? Lydia. Wow. Yes, it's Santa. It's Santa. It's Christmas times and he wants to give you some gifts. Okay. Wow, Santa. Wow. Really? Is it you? Is it you, Santa Claus? I've been a very good child this year. So has Angelina and Lydia and the little one. Yes, this is Cora. And Frosty, yes. He's been a very good child this year. So everyone deserves good, lovely gifts from you, okay? Well, we'll prepare now some cookies and some milk and whatever you like, Santa. And please, 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 please visit us on Christmas Eve. Girls will be waiting for you. Me too, Santa, okay? Just don't forget us. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.